Yo guys, we're back and it's a special review today. Welcome to the channel guys, and if you're new to the channel, also welcome to the channel guys. That's right guys, today I'm reviewing the Nike Dunk Low Supreme collaboration. This is the ink variation. There's two more regional variations plus the black and the white. But before we break this sneaker down, before we have a look at the spectrum of sneakers that actually Supreme collabed on with the Nike Dunk Low, please do like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to us. Let's have a conversation. Let's break it down like we always do, and please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast with me and the bro 808 Kicks 80. Go follow the bro at 808 Kicks _ 80. Go and show me some love and support, because it always comes to shows the channel love and support. And also guys, please do follow the Shoe Dog podcast where we talk about sneaker drama, sneaker news, sneaker bad behavior, because we always take that to sneaker court or public opinion. And last but not least guys, keep doing amazing things that you guys keep doing to keep hitting your targets, hitting your goals, keep accelerating, keep growing, keep being awesome guys, because I want you to win. You guys need to keep winning, you guys need to keep growing, you guys need to keep being amazing. But guys, let's take a look at this actual Nike Dunk Low ink variation, the Supreme collaboration. This was very limited and I can't believe I got this in hand. As you can see from the B-roll guys, we're looking at the Nike Dunk Low Supreme collaboration on these Nike Dunk Lows, and this is an actual amazing sneaker in hand guys. I'm gonna break this sneaker down, but this is a fantastic sneaker, and this is an actual regional exclusive. This actually came out in Europe. The actual ink variation came out in Europe. You had two other variations. I think the Chamfer Green came out in the States, and I think the Fog Ocean came out in basically Asia, and this was all regional. And you got the white and black pairs which actually came out globally. Apparently this ink variation was only 4K pairs, so I'm surprised I got this in hand. And the long story short, I wasn't even around, and the bro actually kind of shouted at me about a couple of months back, because this is not my sneaker, this is for the bro, because you know how we do on this channel, we go and kind of help the people, we go and kind of help our fans and family, and this is one that I actually had to get for the bro, because he reached out to me and he kind of was like, can you please help me with this? And I said, yeah, if I can, I can. I had my foot in a spa and I actually copped this sneaker, and I wasn't even in London. That was crazy like release. This was fantastic. This is an absolutely brilliant cop. I'm going to try and give this to the bro after the release, but as you can see, this is a fantastic pair from the B-roll. But without further ado, let's take a look at the box, because we're going to take a look at the sneakers, and then I'm going to give you my overall perspective and my overall thoughts on this, because this is an absolutely amazing sneaker in hand. It looks fantastic. But box wise, this is what the box looks like. Hey, presto shebang, just a regular SB box. Basically, this is the new rendition of the XB box. If you have actually seen the Jordan 4s, same box for the Jordan 4 SBs. This actually was like a revamp of the box recently, which actually changed. They had different variations and different colors, and if you want to have a look at them, go and check all the SB boxes out over the years. This is the new rendition, and this is a bit strange because as you open, the SB is upside down, which is weird, but you can open it like this, which I'm going to do. You open it inverse wise and you get Supreme all over the actual paper. You got Nike and Supreme on the paper, as you can see guys. And also on this, I think you get two stickers as well. You get the Supreme sticker like you normally do, and you also get the Nike SB sticker, which is like a white sticker. It kind of fades away into the background, but this is like another sticker that you get with it. You don't get no stamps, except you do get a stamp at the top there. This came out on the 4th of September. This was actually on the Supreme app, and Supreme app was kind of kind to me this time around, because sometimes it's quite hard to cop stiffs off of the Supreme app. They go quite quickly. Everything goes quite quickly on the Supreme app if you're not careful, especially collaborations. But I think this is the first time they've actually done a Supreme collaboration with a bit different than just leather and stars, and this is kind of why I like this a bit more. But this is what the box label looks like. This is how it is. This is how it should come. I'm not an actual dunk low guy, so I might be wrong there, but I try to do as much kind of depth and research. But yeah, this is such a nice rendition. That's what the box looks like. That's how it is. That's how it should come. And it reads Nike SB Dunk Low OG Quick Strike, which means it's a Quick Strike QS on the code. Ink black iron grey. The ink must be basically that purple colorway, and it basically is a size 8. This is a US size 8, EU 41, UK 7, and a women's 9.5. That's what the box label reads. That's how it should be, and that's how it should come, guys, directly from Supreme. And basically the code reads HQ8487500. That's what the code is. That's what it looks like. Nike SB on the box and a little bit of a QR code there, but this is exactly what the box should look like. If you're trying to get a pair of these, and there's only 4K pairs, just be careful, guys. You got to get it from the right retailers. You got to go and snap it up real quick, and the resale isn't that much at this moment in time, because the resale is going about like I think 240 to 250 on this pair, and the larger sizes obviously will be higher. But yes, guys, it's a good time to cop these sneakers, because this is only going to go up over time. Supreme gear goes up over time. And then obviously if you look right at the bottom, SB all over this box, and this is just a regular SB box. But now let's take a look at these sneakers. It's sneaker time, so hey presto shebang. And as you can see, guys, this is the Nike Dunk Low Supreme collaboration, the ink variation. Basically it does say on the tongue, there you go, Nike Supreme Nike Dunk Low Pro. Basically the Supreme collaboration. You know it's a Supreme collaboration when you got the 94 on the back, that stitched 94 in the silver, and that represents the year that actually Supreme was actually founded. And guys, look at that purple, look at that black, look at that grey. This is a fantastic sneaker. Oh my days, look at that. So good, so good. Look at the actual, the basic touch gives you that almost like cream suede on this. You can see it move with the actual fingertips. That is beautiful. And even the toe, that actual iron grey is so nice. Look, you can even write your name on it. You can literally write your name on it, which is jokes. That is something I like doing. I probably might do that on the actual Instagram. Go and check my Instagram post up, because I'm definitely going to do that. But yeah, it is such a great sneaker, and you can see the different shades of purple or that ink colorway on this. So you can see the overlays are ink or purple, which they kind of call it ink, but I'm going to call it purple for the aesthetics look on this, because it kind of don't know why they call it ink, but basically it is a purple rendition on the sneaker. It is just different variations. It's like different shades of purple, and then you got different shades of grey on the actual toe. The underlays are grey or the iron grey, and it just looks so good. It is such a beautiful this is the most premium actual suede sneaker I've ever had in my hand. If I'm being honest, it's up there. It's massively up there. The swoosh is even sueded out. You can see it's a bit more of a felty suede swoosh, but it's like a short haired swoosh, so it feels more suedey. And then you've got that 94 on the back, which is stitched in. Absolutely gorgeous. This sneaker is absolutely gorgeous. Nike on the back, like a normal Dunk Low should be, and you can see that absolutely beautiful rendition when you twist it around to the actual side panel, sort of side view. That you get purple laces with this. You do actually get another set of black laces with this. I probably would like to see black laces and purple laces interlinked. That would be quite dope to see, but it is such a beautiful sneaker in hand. You guys need to see either the chamfer green or the ocean fog or the actual inks in hand. They are so fire. I've seen videos. I was surprised that in hand they look even more better, in my personal opinion. But then you got that puffy actual Dunk Low. This is like a proper puffy skater tongue. Beautifully done. This is a beautiful sneaker. It is. Smells so good as well. Smells so good. Like, you have to proper smell a sneaker to actually smell a sneaker to realize how good it is. The quality on this is absolutely dope. I'm really surprised on the quality. Take the insole out because it's got little touches of Supreme on it. Now we're going to go through the touches of Supreme on it. I'm not going to try to rip this up, but you can see it's got the actual Supreme, or if you put this up together, and when you put both of these together, you get the Supreme written, and you basically like use Supreme across the two insoles, which is absolutely dope. I like that. It is great, and I like the way they do that. I do like the little aesthetics on that Supreme as well. well. The purple laces are really nice on this. The purple laces are flat purple laces. You get black laces as well, flat laces. But let me just put this together to show you guys what I mean, because when you pull this together, I don't want to take the stickers off because I'm going to give it to the bro, and I don't want to kind of spoil his sneaker, but when you put it together, you can see that Supreme reads across that. It is absolutely nice. And then also little touches of Supreme, like I said, basically you get little touches of Supreme on the actual midsole. You got the Supreme on the side there, if you can read that, and in the actual inner side as well, you get the Supreme right there as well. That is nice as well. And then you got the 94, which gives the heritage of the year that Supreme was founded, and you got the Supreme in the middle, which is dope touches. It doesn't overpower. You don't get a box label. You don't get the actual Supreme written on the sneaker. It's just subtle touches, and that makes the sneaker really good, because basically it doesn't give you or doesn't overpower you with that Supreme feeling. It's just an absolutely gorgeous sneaker. The quality on this is fantastic, bar to none. This is probably one of the best suede sneakers I've touched. I'm gonna be honest, absolutely dope. And the only way you can recognize it to be a Supreme sneaker, unless you look really carefully at the midsole, is basically that 94, and you know it's a Supreme as soon as that 94 comes up. I can't see Supreme anywhere else on this sneaker. I really can't. I really can't. You got one touch there, two touch there, the date, which is 94, and then you got the Supreme in the insole as well, which is fire. And it just kind of takes away from, I wouldn't say tacky, because a lot, I think, is overdone when Supreme kind of stick box labels all over the place on the sneakers and you see Supreme everywhere. You don't get this with this sneaker. You just get this almost beautiful rendition of this purple and grey sneaker, or the iron grey and ink, which was probably the official color of this. And then it just kind of just does its thing. No Supreme, not really on the sneaker, and it's just class. It's just not tacky, it's class. I'm being blasphemous really, if I'm honest, because Supreme likes to stick Supreme everywhere. And sometimes if you know, you know. And when you get this, you know, because apparently there was only 4K pairs of this. Like I said, I was away for my missus' birthday. I didn't realise this was going to come out on actually the 4th of September, because my missus' birthday was the 5th. We went for a spa retreat. My foot was in the actual water, and I was on the Supreme app, which is crazy. If you're a sneakerhead, you know what that means. But that's crazy. I thought we was tracking this for months. Me and the bro was tracking this for months. I've tracked this since like March, April, May. And then all of a sudden it just went silent, and I said, well, if it comes, it comes, I'll let you know. And then we just kept tracking, and you know how I do, we just hunt, we just really hunt, and we was able to get this sneaker. But on the underside, you got more of the iron grey all the way through, traditional Dunk traction on this as well, and I think Jordan 1 traction as well, similar to the Jordan 1 traction. And then you got the uppers, absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. The quality is amazing on this. Like, I'm gonna show you one more time, guys. Different shades of purple, guys. That's beautiful. And then you got the iron grey on the underlays, you got the black, you got the purple. I would love to see an actual grey set of laces to go with this. I think the grey set of laces might actually hit, like a light variation of grey might actually hit. I actually think white laces might hit on this as well. This is such a dark sneaker that you could actually get away with putting some lightness on the laces, which kind of compounds that. Even if you put silver laces on this, I might give a shout to the bro. But inside the inner lining as well, the inner lining is more of this linen inner lining rather than the cotton inner lining, which is smooth. It's padded out to what actual dunks do, really, like proper skating, or SB dunks do. They proper kind of kit them out. It's going to be comfortable. I know the bro skates, so he's going to actually hopefully skate on this eventually, but it's puffy all the way through. Such a beautiful rendition of a sneaker, such an amazing sneaker. I keep saying amazing, so what am I going to give it? Super Guts? Yeah, I'm going to give it Super Guts, obviously, because the quality on this is just ridiculous. Like, quality alone, if they release pairs like this in general, everybody will pick them up, because the quality on this is insane, guys. You need to get this sneaker in hand to see how it feels. This sneaker is dope, very dope. I'm not a low guy, I'm not a dunk guy, I'm more of a Jordan head. I'll pick up some like Nikes, I'll pick trainers up, I'll pick 95s up. I'll recently be picking up 95s. I'm not a dunk guy, but this is a beautiful, beautiful sneaker. But like I do on this channel, I'm gonna give you that front perspective, the booty action with a Nike on the back, absolutely dope. The lateral side, that medial side, and that beautiful outsole. Look at that beautiful outsole. Giving that 360-degree rotation. Make sure you're on your feet. Make sure you keep hitting the streets, and make sure you keep skating in all of that actual SB heat. That's what they want from you guys, because when you wear this, and I keep saying this on the Actual Shooter podcast, you are the foot soldiers for the brands. So wear this stuff, rock this stuff, love this stuff, and use it for what it's used for or designed for. That is absolutely beautiful sneaker, and I'm pretty sure the bro's gonna absolutely love this. I love picking up sneakers for the bro. It's all retail anyway, because it's never about money, nothing like that. But yeah, this is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. But yeah, I can sit here and look at this sneaker for days. But that perspective is dope. Look at that perspective, absolutely fire. That 94 on the back is absolutely fire. Yeah, you might need to get some silver laces on this, bro. But that was a review for the actual Supreme Dunk collaboration on the Dunk Lows. This is an absolutely fantastic sneaker. The resale at the moment is about $250, going up. It's going to go up. It's definitely going to go up. Over time, it'll go up, because obviously, apparently there's 4K pairs. I'm already trying to get the sneakers for other people in terms of this variation, because the guys in the States and in Canada couldn't get this sneaker, so they're actually looking for this, and the resale on that actual market is going to be expensive, because getting anything from the UK to the US is going to be expensive, or even Canada is going to be expensive because of the duties that you're going to get with it. So obviously all the resale platforms are going to spike this, and all the resellers are going to spike this if they're going abroad. But that was a review for the actual Dunk Low Supreme Ink. What a beautiful sneaker. Let me know your thoughts, let me know what you think, and let's talk about it. But for me, TJ, I love Kit Customs. Hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year. And I hope you guys cop the sneakers you like, because you deserve to get the sneakers you want. For me, TJ, I love Kit Customs. Until the next review, peace out for now, guys, and peace.